this is demo class. So you can see here what is Anaplan means. So Anaplan is a cloud based platform. So where we can use where we can prepare like planning, budgeting and forecasting in Anaplan, and by using Anaplan, so we can do all these things. So we can prepare reports like using dashboards and UX pages. We can estimate, we can show our results to the end user. So how my business will grow in upcoming 5 years, 10 years, like that. So we can give some prediction to end user. So how my business will grow. So this is our main concept here. So we can do planning and we can prepare budget, and we can prepare forecasting reports even in Anaplan. This is the main advantage we have, and this is a cloud based platform. So there is no need to download any software, and just we need to get credentials and we need to take some subscription from Anaplan. So then we can go ahead. So that is the thing. So, and nowadays each and every company is adapting this cloud based platforms. So Anaplan is using so many companies nowadays, like you can see. So mostly Delight is it is always 24/7 they will hire Anaplan model builders, and Delight is there, Accenture is there, Tech Mahindra, Wipro and TCS, Genpact. Each and every company hiring Anaplan model builders, like KPMG, so NTT Data. Each and every company is hiring Anaplan model builders. So actually it doesn't consist any programming and coding. That is also a very good advantage. So that is the reason each and everyone adapting this one. Any degree candidate eligible for this position, Anaplan model builder position. So there is nothing we require prior knowledge to do Anaplan, like there is no other software programming and nothing involving in this one. Only Anaplan is a different platform, so we can learn each and everything here. Only we have here how to create modules, how to import the data into these modules, how to show our results to end user in UX pages in visualization way. Like you can see Power BI, you can see in that one what will you show. In Excel also we can show some dashboards, we can prepare how my results in visualization way we can show somewhere sometimes. So in that way what happens, how my sales will grow, how my revenue will grow, each and everything grow in the future, how it will grow, it will show each and everything. That is the advantage by using the Excel, not Excel, by using the Anaplan. So in Excel what happens, just we can see in grid data, we can see in grids. Excel you have cells, in that cells you have data, but in Anaplan what happens, we can see in line chart, bar chart, how my business will grow, each and everything you can see here. So I will show here how the graphs will be there, each and everything will be there in our Anaplan. So here UX pages, how we prepare. You can see here country margin summary. Am I audible to you? Please give response.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes. So you can see here country wise summary margin report, you can see. So summary margin, you can see year wise revenue, cost of sales, margin and margin percentage. Each and every year how much you are getting data. This data you can see in Excel also, you can see in grid format. But what is the use of this Anaplan? You can see here in pie chart, you can see each and everything in visualization way. You can see data, each and every product family, how much percentage it is selling. You can see forge, chocolates, source, different products, each and every product how much it is selling. Is it fine? Performance by product family wise, like this you can see each and everything. So that is the advantage you can see. So this is revenue, you can see how much revenue happening, you can see here. So even you can change whatever the data you want, revenue, cost of sales. By selecting here you can change, instead of revenue you can change cost of sales, you can check margin, you can check. This is a page selectors, you can say. So by selecting here drop down list, you can change whatever the one, whatever the thing like cost of sales, margin, whatever the thing you want to check, you can check here how it will be changed. So this is the advantage we have in Anaplan. So one more thing, in Excel we have x axis and y axis. These are, you can see these are the rows, revenue, cost of sales and each and everything. This financial year 19, 20, 21, these are the columns. In Excel we have, other than this one you have pages. Pages means you can select here US and all products you have here. So you can change whatever the we want. The page selector we have, instead of US you can check other country data also, you can check by clicking here drop down list. This is a drop down list. Here also you can check each and everything, you can check here. By selecting here you can check for other country result. That is the advantage we have. So each and every country we can check. Page selectors we have third dimension, you can say. So rows and columns, along with rows and column we have page selector. That is the reason. So Anaplan is has everyone is a multi-dimensional structure. It has multi-dimensional structure means in 3-dimensional way you can show our data. For example, if you want to see here in models, price book module is there. For example, one module is there. I am opening this one module. So actually I deleted that data. This is my data, you can see for each and every product. These are the products: Nujo bar, raising the bar, cookie crumbs, donutty branch. You can see each and every product, you can see here. So after watching these things, what happens, this is for location New York. So these are the, you can say, rows, vertical lines. You can see these are the columns, horizontal lines. So you can see here unit price, unit cost, each and everything comes under columns. So in Excel also you can see this rows and columns, but in Anaplan you can see this is the extra dimension. We can see for New York location that details. Even you can change Chicago location, what is the each and every product price and product unit cost, what is the unit cost and unit price, you can see here. Each and everything we can change location. That is the advantage we have here. You can see here these are the rows, vertical lines and horizontal lines, whatever you have, that is known as a columns. In Anaplan we have extra pages. Location wise you can change each and every location, you can check and you can check the details of each and every product details. What is the unit cost and unit price? So what is mean by unit cost and unit price means, so unit price means at what rate we are selling a product is known as a unit price. What is mean by unit cost? Unit cost means, so how much product, how much we are doing expenditure to produce that product. If you are produce a product, otherwise if you are buying a product, then buying rate is the cost, selling rate is the unit price. So is it fine for you what I am trying to say? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So fine. So buying rate is the unit cost and selling rate is the unit price. So these are the basic things. So you can see that is the reason it has multi-dimensional structure. You can say only we don't have rows and columns. We have even pages here. That is the reason we say so. Anaplan consists multi-dimensional structure. So you can see these are the different UX pages. We can show prepare results in different formats like line chart. We have seen there pie chart, this one. We can see here line chart and we can see here column chart. Each and everything you can see here. In Anaplan we can show our results to end user. Upcoming years, how my summary by size, how each and every size product will sell. January, February, each and every month, and upcoming period, how it will I will get revenue. You can see here by each and every product how much I will get revenue. 100-gram product, 200-gram, 300-gram, like this each and every product you can see 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. You can see here revenue by each and every product. By selling each and every product, how much I will get revenue. Each and every month I can show here. So in column chart I can show, in line chart I can show. Each and everything it can possible in Anaplan. So if you consider Excel, what happens? So only Excel grid format you should see the data and you should analyze. That is a very difficult one. If you watch data like this, what happens? In visualization, if you watch the data, what happens, sir? Yes. In visualization, if you watch data, what happens? You feel good or not? How you feel? Yes.
Good, sir.
So it will easy to understand. So it will easy to understand that everyone can easy to understand. So that is good for everyone. If you see data in a visualization way, so looking interesting. So if you see in a grid, what happened? You should check how much is there. Is it increasing or decreasing? You should check numbers. But here, simply by watching the graphs you can understand. So which month is growing my revenue, which month is decreasing my revenue, each and everything without putting much effort you can easily understand. That is the advantage we have here by watching the details each and everything in visualization way. So that is the advantage we have here by using Anaplan. And we can, one more thing, on the base of past details, historical details. Past detail means last year details or whatever thing. So by understanding past details, by providing that one, Anaplan will provide future details. Prediction, it will provide prediction, how if my business perform as it is, how where will be my business will be there upcoming 2 years and 3 years, like that. Whatever the time period we consider, for that time period how my business will grow, each and everything it will show. Is it fine? So that is the advantage we have. So on the base of trends, seasonality, historical data, each and everything it analyze. After analyzing each and everything, Anaplan will give prediction. So how my revenue will grow, how my sales will grow upcoming 3 years and 3 years or 5 years, and how my sales grow. So how my cost of expenditure will grow, each and everything we can understand. So that is the way we need to understand each and everything. So Anaplan will provide that one, so that we have advantage over here. So you can see here each and other charts also. You can see unit price and unit cost growth assumption, how it will affect each and everything. So unit price and unit cost, how it will affect on margin, revenue and cost of sales. So you can see each and everything how it will affect. Employee expenses, how employee expenses will happens. So it will, each and everything it will show. And profit and loss report, user experience page. you can see how profit and loss will get in future. Each and everything it will provide on the base of past details. That is the advantage we have by using Anaplan. So these are the different features we have in Anaplan. So do you have any doubts so far? Whatever I covered topics.
No, sir.
Others, what about you? Others like Sabur, what about you?
No, sir.
Is it fine for you whatever I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So Yakub, do you have any doubts? Whatever I covered so far?
No, sir. Fine, sir.
So you can see in what are the components we have in Anaplan, we can see here. So what are the components we have? So we can see each and everything here.
Welcome to What is Anaplan? What is Anaplan? Anaplan is a cloud-based platform that enables planning. Real-time data sharing means decisions can be made today rather than in weeks or months.
So it is a cloud-based platform. It helps business be dynamic and collaborative and intelligent. Be dynamic means like we can go anywhere. So business can we can shift anywhere. So that is a not a problem for this one. So and collaborative means we can take collaboratively decision, not alone. So intelligent, we can take very quick decision and very short decision we can take. So and it will provide what business need forward, drive to forward them means if you want to go somewhere, so what is the, it will show way how should you go and each and everything. So how should you take decision, so how each and everything decision how should we take each and everything it will guide us. So Anaplan will guide us. So on the base of these results we can understand, so where we are lagging, how my expenditure is happening, how my revenue is growing, how my profit I am getting. Each and everything we can understand by submitting these results, so preparing these results, so that we can take quick decision to improve our business. So improve our business performance, each and everything we can take quick decisions.
In this lesson, you'll learn about the 6 key components of our platform: workspace, models, lists, modules, line items, and user experience.
So you can see here These are the six components we have in Anaplan. So workspace, models, list, modules, line items, and user experience page. So what are the 6 line items means you can see here. Workspace means you can, if I click here top left, so this is my workspace. It will my home page, you can see. So this is my home page. So this is known as a workspace. Workspace consists so many models. View all models, 5 models I have created here. So each and everything you can see here. So this is my workspace, which workspace is a platform where we can create the models. That is known as a workspace. So we can create any model line. So we can import, create list in that model. Each and everything we can create in over the workspace. We can do each and everything. So that is the workspace. So workspace is the first platform. We need to enter that platform and create the models, and inside the models we should create the models on workspace. Under the models you should create list, modules, line items, and user experience page. So this workspace is a platform which consists models. So model is the business use case, like financial planning model, supply chain model, and sales and territory model, data hub model. So that is use case, for which purpose we are creating model. That comes under use case. Under the model you can see the model list, we have modules, each and everything we can see. So I will show each and everything here. I will open this one. So this is model. Whatever I click it, that is the model. So if you click here also, you can see what are the models we have. So these all are models, 6 models I have. So inside the model, if I after opening this model, I can see here time, versions, general list. List, you have list. After the models you have list. If you click here, you can see list here. What are the general list we have here? You can see here. So, and you can see here what are the modules you have. So after the list, what you have, modules you have in that components. What are the modules means, like you can see here different modules you have. So in this one, what are the list and modules means, inside the list you have so many data. So list means we created related group of items and we store at one place. Example, you can see G1 region list is there. Under the G1 region list, America, Europe, and Asia Pacific, 3 regions there. So under the region list, so our business is whatever we created here model, in that that business is divided into 3 regions: America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. You can see only one region. So under one region you can see 3 regions. So 3 related group items we create at one place and we store at one place. That comes under G1 region. That is known as G1 region. So next you can see G2 country. This is one list. These all are list. You can see general list. If I click general list, you can see all these things. General list nothing but, so each and everything, every list, under the every list consists so much data, related group items. In region, different regions we have. In countries you have different countries. In location, different locations we have. In product family, different product families we have. So in products you have different products. These are the general list, you can say. So in if I click on country list, I can see so many countries. You can see US, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, and UK, France, Spain, Germany, Italy. So you can see all these countries. So on list is nothing but it consists related group items. So if you click on that list, inside the list, whatever the countries we have, that we known as the list items. Inside the list, whatever we have, list items we can say. So this is the list items. So you can, third one you can see modules. What is the modules means? So why we create list means, so we create this general list here, country, region list, country list, product list, each and everything here, employee list, department list, each and everything we create. Why we create means, after creating this list, in modules we can use anywhere where we want. You can see here. So in modules, wherever you want, same list will be repeated. So we created list, general list one place, and you can see G3 location P2 product, G3 location P2 products. We can use in different modules that list, whatever we have created in general list. There is no need to create again and again how many countries we have list, nothing we have. Once we create and drag and drop. How it is possible? If I try to create new module, in that one you can see under the list and rolls up, you can see each and everything, region, country, location, each and everything I can see. Simply I can drag and drop. Country is there, product is there, each and everything I can drag and drop. Once I will create and I can use so many times here. There is no need to bother about that one. Creation of again and again. Is it fine? How it is possible? Why we are creating in modules wherever we want, easily we can. Yes. What is the advantage of this one? Yes. Am I audible to you? What is the advantage of by using this? Yes. What we have advantage by creating the list?
It is easy to analyze.
So easy to analyze, and we can use wherever we want in modules. While creating modules,
Yes, sir.
once we create general list and like you can see other like in Excel or other thing, once we create and copy paste, nothing but we need to do in Excel copy paste again and again. But here just we are dragging and dropping, that's it. Whenever we require, simply we are dragging and dropping. So that is the reason, so we do this one. So nothing is there. So that is the reason we create list and we use in modules. So what are the modules next? You can see regarding modules. So what are the modules means? Wait for 1 minute. So you can see here, these are the different modules we have. Module means like engine for the model. So each and every data consists in module. You can see here, the module consists, this revenue price book is my module name. This module consists each and every product, unit price and unit cost. Is it fine? You can see time, version, generalist, these are the components whatever we are creating. To build a module we are creating, this is nothing but location list. Location list we have, you can see here, G3 location list we are creating and we are using in module. Line item also you can see, this unit price and unit cost are the line items. So that we are using in module. P2 product list we are using here in rows. That is also one list. We are creating list, line item and each and everything to create module itself. Module is the main intention. So module is like engine. So after creating the module, after storing the data into module, this data we show in UX pages. This module data you can link up to our UX pages. In that UX pages, the result will show, output result, how my sales will grow, how my revenue will grow. Each and everything we can understand by watching that one. So that UX pages is link up to these modules. So that is the advantage. That is the front end, and this is the back end. Back end means in back side of that UX pages, each and everything will work here, modules. Whatever the modules we consist, that data only it will show in UX pages. If you don't have any data in module, what happens? Is it anything can show in the UX pages? If it doesn't consist any data in module, if we link up empty module to UX pages, what happens? Yes, nothing will happen. So that is the reason. What should we do? So model is the very important one here. So modules, whatever we have, very important thing in model. So you can see here, that is the reason each and every module consists data. Modules are like engine for the model. It consists different dimensions. Modules are made up of different dimension. You can see product dimension, product list. This is also one list. Product also one list. Line items are the like it will measure the data. Like you can see unit price and unit cost are the line item for this module. You can see here. So are you able to understand what happening here? Module what happening here? Yes.
Yes, sir.
तलहा, आर यू फाइन? क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे मॉड्यूल के अंदर? क्या हो रहा है यार? क्या कर रहे हैं हम? मॉड्यूल के अंदर क्या हो रहा तलहा? डेटा जो भी शो कर रहे मॉड्यूल के अंदर ही शो कर रहे, ठीक है ना? अब जनरल लिस्ट के अंदर डेटा कुछ शो कर रहे क्या? खाली जो है यहाँ पे लिस्ट है, रीजन्स क्या है, आपको क्या रीजन्स है और जो है क्या कंट्रीज है, यही चीज़ें हैं आपको। कंट्री लिस्ट है मगर डेटा नहीं है वहाँ पे। दूसरा जो है कैलकुलेशंस वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है, कुछ रेवेन्यू ये कुछ भी नहीं है यहाँ पे। सिर्फ जो है एक रिलेटेड ग्रुप आइटम्स है यहाँ पे पूरा। उसके बाद में जो है मॉड्यूल के अंदर जो है ईच एंड एवरी डेटा जो है हमको जो डेटा होना है पूरा कहाँ पे है? मॉड्यूल्स के अंदर ही है डेटा। मॉड्यूल के अंदर ये यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट जो है दूसरा मॉड्यूल है ये। मॉड्यूल के अंदर जो है ईच एंड एवरी लोकेशन वाइज वॉल्यूम मीन्स नंबर ऑफ सेल्स, हाउ मच सेल्स हैपन, कितना सेल्स हुआ। एक न्यू जॉब और प्रोडक्ट जनवरी में 260 यूनिट क्वांटिटी सेल हुआ एंड फरवरी 359 कितने सेल हुआ जो है ईच एंड एवरी प्रोडक्ट यू कैन सी हियर। सो लोकेशन वाइज हाउ मच सेल्स हैपनिंग, you can change even location, different location, how much sales happened. If you want to see for Chicago, you can select here, drop down and select. That is the advantage we have. So modules consist each and every data like sales, revenue and expenditure, each and everything how much it happens we can see in modules. That is the reason. So modules are very important thing in model, like engine for the model. You can see. So line items means volume here, location D3 location means Chicago, you can see here, and time means time is there in column January February, and rows you can see products, new job or raising the bar, each and everything we have here. These all are comes under rows. So there is no need to bother about all these things. We will step by step explain later in classes how we need to create this module. Each and everything we have. No problem, don't bother about this one. So this is just I am showing what is workspace, what is module, what is model, and what are the line items, and what are the rows, columns and pages. So and what are the general list, each and everything just terms I am showing, that's it. How should we create and each and everything I will explain later. So this one I want to explain. So fine, you can see here. So after modules what we have? Line items. Line items nothing but this one only. So line item you can see volume here, how much sales happening, this is line item here. In other module you can revenue price book, you can see this is the unit price and unit cost of the line item, which measure the data. Actually line items are nothing but which measure the data, how much, what is the price for a product, unit price. This is the measure, it will measure the data, that is known as a line item. Unit cost, what is the cost, 0.22, you can see. So line items are nothing but which measure the data, so it will consist in module itself. So these are the known as a line item, unit price and unit cost. So finally we have like user experience. So user experience nothing but whatever I have shown first, so that comes under user experience. So how my result will show, how my sales will grow, each and everything I explained in this second chapter. We have in second chapter that graphs I have shown first. If you want show once again, if, I can show here each and everything result oriented, that one, how sales will grow, how revenue will grow, each and everything we can see in UX pages. So in UX pages, where we have UX pages in workspace means you can see here. If you click here, my pages are there, these are the UX pages. Here you can see how my each and everything, how it will affect. These are the my pages are the UX pages. So we can create here and we can show result here. This is a UX page. Each and everything we can create and we can show our result. Financial planning user experience pages, you can see country margin summary. So country margin summary, you can see summary margin report, how data will, you can see here revenue for US country financial year 2020, each and every product wise, product family wise, Ford, chocolates, toffee, source, each and every product, how much it will give revenue. So it is showing in like pie, in pie chart it is showing data. So you can see here, so size margin summary, each and every size product, how much we sold every country. You can see for US country, this is for US country. So what is revenue for 100 gram product, 200 gram, 300, 400, 500 gram, each and every month how much we are getting revenue. You can see here January, February, April, you can see here, each and everywhere you can see how it is happening. So this is my line chart, you can see in line chart margin percentage, you can see here how much margin percentage I am getting, margin percentage by size wise. So each and everything you can see in UX pages. Here we can create my pages, we can create UX pages here, and these UX pages will get attached with that source modules whatever we prepared in Anaplan models. Anaplan modules whatever we prepared, that modules is linked up with this UX pages. So what happens by doing that one, simply, so that data will reflect here in UX pages, it will get reflect. That is the thing, advantage we have. We can simply, we can show result on the base of that module data. It will show report in UX pages, revenue, cost of sales, expenditure, how each and every month it happenings we can see. So this is the advantage we have. So this is the 6 components we have in Anaplan. So later we have in some other topics we have. So anyway, so this is from my side. So I want to listen from you also. So do you have any doubt here? इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क, कुछ भी डाउट रहा तो पूछ सकते हैं यार। यहाँ पे अनप्लान क्यों यूज़ कर रहे हैं, क्या है ये जो है पूरा जो है, मैं ही नहीं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ, आप लोगों से भी सुनना चाह रहा हूँ। तो आप बिल्कुल जो है बोल सकते क्या है क्या नहीं। आपका कुछ डाउट है क्या इसके अंदर, अनप्लान क्या करता और यस? कुछ भी डाउट नहीं यार, पूरा क्लियर है जो भी है?
Yes, sir.
ओके, अदर्स व्हाट अबाउट याकूब? पूरा क्लियर है ना यार, क्या करना चाह रहे हैं अपन, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा? यस? सो तलहा पूरा क्लियर है यार, क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ मैं? यस? माजिद खान आप क्लियर है यार?
और